Hello students. Today we will study about the spinal cord, reflex actions and reflex arc. Spinal cord is a cylindrical cord which arises from the medulla oblongata. Like the brain, it is also protected by three meninges, cerebrospinal fluid and a cushion of adipose tissue. Now you must have studied about the adipose tissue in your class 9th. Adipose tissues are mainly responsible for the fat storage in our body. On each side of the spinal cord, there are two horns. The dorsal horn, dorsal means backward, and the ventral horn, ventral means the front horn. Children, the sensory neurons always go on the back side of the spinal cord. Back side means through the dorsal horn. And the motor neurons come from the front side of the spinal cord. Front side means from the ventral horn. The spinal cord is the center for reflex actions. Now, what are reflex actions? Reflex actions are spontaneous. Spontaneous means sudden. Automatic means involuntary actions which will not involve your brain. And mechanical responses. Mechanical means that there will be some kind of movement to a stimulus controlled by the spinal cord without the involvement of brain. Let us look at its definition once again. Reflex actions are the spontaneous, automatic and mechanical responses to a stimulus controlled by the spinal cord without the involvement of brain. Some of the most common examples of a reflex actions are the change in the size of pupil to manage the amount of light entering in our eyes. Another example can be sneezing that occurs because of irritants or the dust particles in the nasal passage. Children, different reflex actions can involve different number of neurons. Let us now study the most common reflex action, that is sudden withdrawal of hand when we touch a hot surface. In such a reflex action, only 3 neurons are involved and it includes our spinal cord. The moment the temperature of your finger increases, it is detected by the sensory neurons. Now these sensory neurons will convert the heating signal into electrical signal, and then these signal will be sent to the spinal cord through the dorsal root. Then this signal is taken by another neuron, which is a relay neuron. Now what is a relay neuron? Relay neuron transfers the signal from a sensory neuron to a motor neuron inside the spinal cord. In case if it is not a reflex action, then these signals are generally sent to the brain from here. But in a reflex action, this signal will not be sent to the brain, as it would take the brain time to process this signal and give commands to remove our hand. Since this is a very dangerous situation in which we can hurt our hand, the signals from the relay neurons are immediately sent to another neuron, which is the motor neuron. Now these motor neurons take the signals directly to the bicep muscles through the ventral root, and so the bicep muscle will contract, due to which your hand will move away from the fire. This entire pathway, which consists of the sensory neuron, the relay neuron and the motor neuron, is called the reflex arc. So we can define the reflex arc as the pathway followed by the sensory and the motor nerves in a reflex action. So children, this was the sequence of events in a reflex arc.